What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. For you, what is the most thing you have seen in your entire life? A successful day to all the viewers out there. I am here again to bring you another real research story. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and tap the notification bell down there for you to be notified whenever I have new real research trivia video. So, let's get started. The largest volcano in the world. The largest volcano in the world is Mauna Loa, which is located on the big island of Hawaii. Mauna Loa is one of the 5 volcanoes that form the big island of Hawaii. It is the largest of them all, with a summit elevation of 13,678 feet or 4,169 meters above sea level. Mauna Loa is a shield volcano, which means it has a broad, gently sloping cone-shaped profile that is built up from many layers of lava flows. The volcano is one of the most active in the world, with its most recent eruption occurring in 1984. It has erupted 33 times since its first well-documented eruption in 1843. Mauna Loa covers an area of approximately 2,035 square miles or 5,271 square kilometers, making it larger than the entire island of Oahu. The volcano is estimated to be between 600,000 and 1 million years old, and it is believed to have formed from a hot spot in the Earth's mantle beneath the Pacific Plate. Mauna Loa's eruptions can be very dangerous, as they can produce lava flows that move at speed of up to 40 miles per hour or 64 kilometers per hour. Despite its active status, Mauna Loa is closely monitored by the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory to help predict and prepare for potential eruptions. The volcano is also an important scientific research site, as it provides a unique opportunity to study the formation and behavior of shield volcanoes. Mauna Loa names means long mountain in Hawaiian, which is a reference to its size and shape. In 1981, the summit area of Mauna Loa was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its natural and cultural importance. Mauna Loa is one of the world's most massive volcanoes, with an estimated volume of approximately 19,000 cubic miles or 80,000 cubic kilometers, and a total surface area of over 2,035 square miles or 5,271 square kilometers. The volcanic activity at Mauna Loa is caused by the movement of the Pacific Plate over a hot spot in the Earth's mantle. As the plate moves, the hot spot melts the crust above it, creating a plume of magma that rises to the surface and forms a volcano. The lava that flows from Mauna Loa is typically low in viscosity, which means it is very fluid and can flow for long distances. This has resulted in the formation of some of the world's largest lava flows, including one that is over 50 miles or 80 kilometers long. MaunaLoa eruptions can produce large amounts of gas and ash, which can pose a threat to human health and air travel. In 1950, an eruption at Mauna Loa produced a massive ash cloud that disrupted air travel across the Pacific. Mauna Loa has a rich cultural history, and it is considered a sacred site by the Hawaiian people. According to Hawaiian mythology, the volcano is the home of the goddess Pele, who is believed to control the flow of lava. Scientists have been studying Mauna Loa for over a century, and the volcano has played a significant role in the development of our understanding of plate tectonics and Earth's interior. Despite its impressive size and power, Mauna Loa is not considered to be one of the world's most dangerous volcanoes. This is because its eruptions are generally slow-moving and predictable, which allows for effective evacuation and disaster response planning. In addition to its efficient and cultural significance, Mauna Loa is also a popular destination for tourists and outdoor enthusiasts. Visitors can hike to the summit, explore lava tubes and other volcanic features, and enjoy the stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Mauna Loa is part of the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, which was established in 1916 to protect the natural and cultural resources of the area. The park covers over 333,000 acres, or 134,600 hectares, and attracts millions of visitors each year. In addition, the park also includes the nearby Kilauea volcano, which is one of the world's most active and famous volcanoes. Kilauea has been erupting continuously since 1983 and has produced some of the most spectacular lava flows in modern history. The summit of Mauna Loa is covered in snow and ice for much of the year, creating a unique environment that supports a variety of rare and endangered plant and animal species. The volcano has also been the site of numerous scientific experiments and observations over the years. In 1970, NASA conducted a series of tests on Mauna Loa to simulate the conditions of a manned mission to Mars. Mauna Loa is not just the largest volcano on Earth, it is also one of the largest mountains. If measured from its base on the ocean floor, it is 144 meters tall, which make it taller than Mount Everest. Despite its massive size, Mauna Loa is not visible from all parts of the Big Island. This is because the volcano is so wide that it is often obscured by other mountains and hills. Mauna Loa's eruptions have had a significant impact on the surrounding landscape and ecosystem. The volcano's lava flows have destroyed forests and other habitats, but they have also created a new land. The Hawaiian Islands, including Mauna Loa, are known for their unique flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. This biodiversity has made the islands a popular destination for nature lovers and conservationists. The world is full of amazing events and mysteries, and sometimes even scientists simply cannot explain it. That's why we make different versions of stories. However, whatever we face in the future, let's not forget to pray and trust our Father God. Thank you very much for watching and following my stories, friends. I hope to hear from you again in my next Real Trivia. Always stay healthy, and have a successful life.